Which ones are you more focused on for the personal training side? Is it the people that just want to work exclusively online, the people that just want branding, or the people that just want to start a business of a gym, etc.?
Yeah, so when I first started off, I was reaching out to people who had an info product. So I would find people with, like, let's say, big online following on YouTube or Instagram. I would reach out to them and say, hey, here's where we can make some more money. And I would pitch them on building out their funnel and also running their Facebook ads. So I started off doing that, and I do still work with a few of those clients. But now, after speaking with one of my guys who's teaching me about this, he was saying, look, just niche down, because here's the thing, right? If, I don't know, let's say you've probably heard this example before, a brain surgeon or a GP, who gets paid more money, right? The brain surgeon. So I can go out there and do online fitness info products and online fitness coaches. But if I just go for one, which is online fitness coaches, I'm going to get better understanding their problems, better understanding how to solve that problem. And I'm going to become the go-to guy in that niche. So the compound effect, a year from now, I'm going to be the guy who's getting clients coming to him with ease, right? But yeah, to answer your question, I started off reaching out to people, and the way I do this is kind of different from a lot of people. I think so many people out there teach you cold outreach, and I agree with that. When you're starting off, you have to do this. But let me spin it to you like this. Have you ever bought from somebody and given them a lot of money if you don't know, like, or trust them? And the answer is probably no, unless they kind of really push you into it. So what I would do, I would film a video, a Loom video, and I would just over deliver on so much value for them that they were kind of blown away by what I said to them. So I would film this video for them. I would email them and say, here's a video with some real value, give it a watch. Not really even asking for anything in return. So if they even wanted to, they could go and apply this themselves to their business that day. So obviously they're looking at that and they're like, this guy seems to have something. So got on the phone with them, spoke to them, and we came up with a deal we were both happy with. And every single time I say to them, why did you respond to me? And I'm sure you're getting loads of people responding. Sure enough, they're getting tons of people reaching out to them. But because I went in there, added value, and wasn't like everybody else, I stood out from them. So yeah, I mean, when it comes to reaching out to a potential client, you need to think about it like this, right? You've got to stand out from the rest of the crowd. You need to differentiate yourself in some way, whatever way that is. Then you're going to be able to get people responding to you. People, again, DM me. I sent this script to this email, and I'm thinking, if you sent that to me, I would not respond to it, right? So that's kind of my outlook on outreaching people.